Okay, this is fairly shocking. So what I did also is I plugged one of these other ports because I don't need two. I only really use one because this one's getting rusty. So, well, that repair kit worked. All right, my Dewalt 550, 55, 146. This regular, I mean, it's been like, this is like from 20, whoa, like 10, 12 years old. This thing blew. So let's go ahead and fix it. I got this kit that came in the mail right here. So what had happened was, I finally realized it, that when I took this out, this little nub, there's a little nub there, actually embedded itself inside there, so it was not working. And then this thing was cracked. And of course I've lost the little knob, but that's fine, I don't need it. So I ordered a replacement part for all these things. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. And try to remember how it goes back together. Okay, so I have to fast forward. Make sure that's kind of similar. Ooh. I don't know. Just making it up as I go, to be honest. Okay, something like that. Hey, Kobe. Hey, bud. It's a 15, 16. Well, I'll have to plug it in and take a look. All right, that's where I put it all back together. Let's plug this back in. Something like that. All right, let's plug it in. Oh, it's been a few years. Ouch. work. Like 5 years of not use. Wow, can't believe it. Okay, this is fairly shocking. So what I did also is I plugged one of these other ports because I don't need two. I only really use one because this one's getting rusty. So, well, that repair kit worked.